Hey everybody, how's it doing? Welcome back and Happy New Year's! Long time no see. I've been super busy with that, actually. So 2020 year was a hell of a year for me. Partially good, partially not good. Either way, mostly crazy. So over the summer, we were surprised with the announcement of Metamorphose's collab series with Artiswitch. All the episodes are on YouTube, I do believe. I think there's something about 6 to 8 episodes. It's super short, super worth watching. It is about a witch named Nina, who's still actually an apprentice witch, and she is helping customers on her way to become a full-fledged witch. And while most of the fashion and outfits in this anime isn't quite Lolita, besides one exception, they're very cute and loliable, definitely in the realm of kawaii fashion in general. Anyway, so as soon as I saw that, I instantly fell in love, and of course I had a special attachment to the one actual Lolita character, Ruru, who is has problems, but it's okay because, like, honestly, it like feels man. The item that Metamorphose was coming out with was a real life version of Ruru's dress, and they even had famous model Misako Aoki modeling it complete with Ruru's parasol, which Meta did not make. I asked Metamorphose if they were planning on releasing the parasol, and they said that there was a parasol, but it was not by them. They sent me to this umbrella brand, and I was able to order it months later. Ironically, the parasol is the one that came first, even though I was waiting a lot longer to pre-order that one than I did the actual dress set. But I got it. I got everything. And while this wiggle worm is slipping away, I guess let's get to it. This one and another one that I got from them the other week was actually shipped through DHL. So it arrived like 3 or 4 days after it was shipped out from Japan. Also, not a great surprise, but I actually had to pay customs on this one, and that really sucked because it was already a pricey dress to begin with. But as far as my calculations go, it was definitely under the amount of where custom taxes begin. Although I am wondering if instead of just using the regular USD to yen conversion, if they actually ended up just doing $1 to 100 yen, because if they did that, then yes, it would definitely be above the threshold. But if they converted it like the real conversion, then it should have been, even with shipping, under the price. But I don't know. Either way, I had to unexpectedly pay customs, and that sucked. And I know I probably sound like a big whiny crybaby because literally everywhere that is not America has to do it, and it's probably a lot worse than what I had to pay. Oh, it's so pretty. We're opening this together. So, like usual, I got this adorable little Metamorphose sticker. Oh, and I got a postcard. I haven't gotten a postcard in a long time. Anyway, so it says thank you, blah, blah, blah. I love Meta. They're like the MVPs, honestly. And they've been putting out bangers like this whole past year. Aw, I don't recall the name of this, but it is very beautiful, very classic, with some classic and old school design elements. So, I'm seeing things in this box, and I'm getting really excited because I haven't seen these things before. Okay, so first of all, we will start with the thing that's probably not super exciting, but it's at the very top, so we're gonna get to it. Ooh, okay, so here is, oh my goodness, look at these little flowers, these ribbon flowers, so cute. Okay, so honestly, I was not expecting this, but it's like really soft and luxurious. This really soft Rochelle lace, beautiful rose lace. Oh my gosh, this is such, it's so nice quality. Look. Wow. You like it? Yes? Okay, good. Oh, okay, I totally forgot about these. So in addition to, so and I also did not purchase these separately. All items came together as a set. So there is the le bonnet. These are the ankle cuffs. And so the only thing that this release, this Artiswitch collab was missing was socks in the perfect color, which unfortunately Misako Aoki had on, but I have no idea where to get them. So if anybody has any ideas, let me know. Oh, these are so cute. The Rochelle lace is so soft and it goes on with a snap of the button. Easy to put on and off, but of course I'm not surprised that these laces of the Rochelle variety are super soft and luxurious because Meta is the queen of Rochelle lace. All right, so this is what I was squealing about in excitement. Here she is, and also it has this beautiful Meta ribbon on it that I've never seen before, and let me say, I am a Meta stan. Oh, wow. The main part of this dress is beautiful, soft, thick, luxurious cotton. The bonnet was mostly made with this really beautiful satin, but look at this really, really cool ribbon. I have never in my life seen this ribbon, and it's gorgeous. Oh, I want to get like a whole roll of it like I do my Baby and Alice and the Pirates ribbon. This is so pretty. Okay, this is like an equivalent of like Marie Antoinette. Wow, you think so too? Yeah, so this has already been exhausting and I've only done one package. I guess that's why I've not made any videos pretty much all of this year. The first thing, like I mentioned earlier, that came in was actually the parasol. This word. So the box came up pretty manhandled. So hopefully everything is good inside because I've been holding on to this for several months. But man, they have the cutest tape for a brand that I had never heard of until Meta pointed me in their direction. Oh, you can rip it? Thank you. So helpful. So helpful. All right, let's see. Perfect time for a new parasol because it is raining cats and dogs today. Okay, the handle is like super cool. Oh, whoa, there's like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like marbling on it. Whoa, this is so cool. So it's made out of plastic. So hopefully it's a sturdy plastic. Here's the tag. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, so the closure is closed with this little diamond jewel gem thing. So pretty. The one thing that I thought was really cool about this one, that is actually cool. A lot of the ones that I have actually have like a button, but that's really cool. Anyway, so I was really excited about this when I saw this on their Instagram and their webpage because the inside is actually printed. So let's see. Ooh. All right, ready? Here is the outside. Oh, the inside is so pretty. Okay, I'm not looking. So wow, look how cute the outside is. It has all these little ribbons on it. It looks just like the character design. A couple little smushed ribbons, but I don't think it would be too hard to fix that. But oh my goodness, let me just scoot over this way. Look how pretty it is. Even the inside is printed. So it looks like it's printed straight from the anime. Wow, this is so pretty. It almost looks like it's real. This is so cool. So I hope that you enjoyed that. I hope it was worth all the stress that it took to film it. And yeah, I'll see you guys hopefully soon. Bye. So bye-bye. Okay, so please forgive the no makeup and the weird lighting. I got home from work a while ago. I did not do my face. The kids are in bed, and here is my first try on. And first impressions, this dress is ridiculously heavy. And I have my Me Likes Tea Monster Poop petticoat, and I almost feel like it's not quite monster enough. Oh my goodness. This dress is very, very heavy. It's very heavy to pick up and hold, and it definitely feels heavy on my body. I would say that's a good thing though, because the material is very thick and very beautiful. Like, this dress is completely worth its price tag. I love this bonnet. It's so cute. Oh, also the waist ties. There's actually 2 waist ties. Ta-da! There's actually 2. So when you tie them, and you tie them the right way, blind tie them behind your back, it actually looks quite beautiful. But I cannot see, and this is a super quick try on because I could not do it with the kids awake. But yes, love this. Total like Ruru vibes. I guess it would be nice if I also tried it on with the umbrella. Oh my god, getting 20 years bad luck or whatever it is. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. I want to wear it everywhere. I feel this is too OTT for normie stuff. It feels so frivolous and decadent just for the sake of being decadent. Honestly, I don't even feel like this is a cosplay dress or a cosplay Anu inspired outfit at all. This honestly just feels like Marie Antoinette vibes. Oh, I'm in love. Let's see. So here's all the little bows, and this is actually detachable. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is also detachable. Oh yeah, this is like really beautiful and low cut, but without like the cleavage thing. Ooh, I like this too. The little ankle cuffs are just so cute. I love it. Oh my goodness, I don't even like mint, but this dress is so good. Yeah, well, oh my goodness, it's so soft and fluffy. Okay, so let's be real. I'm going through this weird phase in my life again, which has happened a million times before, so I should be used to it. But I am wanting to sell everything that's sweet and OTT, and I've done that a million times, and I've always regretted it and come back. But I kind of have this feeling that it might be for reals this time, but there's some special things. Oh, hi Vanilla. There are some things that I have that I wear when I put them on. I feel that even though it's not going to be something that I wear all the time, it gives me a feeling that's too precious to give up. And I feel like even if I don't wear this very often, it's one of those things that I'm going to keep in my closet and pull it out every once in a while, put it on in my bedroom, not even like walk into the kitchen, just stay in my bedroom and wear it just because it feels good and makes me happy, and I don't care if anybody else sees me in it. Does that make sense? I mean, I guess in the end, that's all that anybody ever wants out of this fashion. I mean, nobody really wears it to be seen, right? Even with social media and all that stuff, even going to meets, it's fun, but at the end of the day, you wear it for yourself because it gives you the butterflies. It makes you feel good. Oh man, Sorry, I didn't mean for this to get all like weird and emotional and sappy feeling, but it's been a while since I wore a dress. And it made me feel like this. So thank you, Artiswitch. Thank you, Meta, for releasing something that captures that feeling for me again. I originally got into the fashion because I was super obsessed with Victorian and Rococo era clothing. And then I somehow stumbled upon Lolita. I'm like, wow, that's super cool. It's like a modern era version of that stuff. And I always wanted those clothes, but Lolita was the next best thing that I could get. And I feel that actually wearing like reenactment clothing is like not really practical. I mean, I guess Lolita isn't either, but I guess it's slightly more so practical than actual like historical clothing. But yeah, thanks, Meta. You made me feel really good today. And I hope you guys find a dress, even if you've worn the fashion for a long time and you're starting to feel that spark fade away. I hope that sometime soon you'll just put on a random dress one day and you won't think that much of it, and then it makes you feel like this, because it really feels good. All right, see you next time.